In the application, Infloor heating system, there is no connection of the design program with the computer. There are design features in Fine-HVAC to help the user draw faster, but the design network is not recognized by the calculations. First, in order to define the network, the sketch of closed polyline must be preceded. Select every point of the polyline. The last point must be connected with the close option. Select Generate Drawing command and very easily, you can define the circuit. You just need to define the layout type, the input and output points, the distance between the pipes, and the radius. With the same command, you can draw bifilar or meandering layout. This same process is performed for the other circuits as well. Finally, after all the circuits have been designed, the circuits can be connected to the collectors, in order to display a complete design. All the AutoNet commands are used for faster and easier drawing. In the Calculations application, we will import the network manually. First of all, from the network options, you can define the basic parameters of the project. The space temperature, the water velocity, the type of the pipes, etc. will be defined. In the calculation sheet, the circuits must be defined. Data should be inserted primarily in the first column. The columns and the circuits loops of the Infloor heating network are included in the network calculation sheet. We press the right button and select Options menu. In that menu, the space loads, floor surface, space temperature, pipe spacing, supply and return circuit length, etc. must be defined. After we close the window, the pipe length, the temperature drop and other parameters will be automatically calculated. We will add all the loops with the same procedure. During the calculation of each space thermal losses, it should be taken into account that the Infloor heating system requires a 16-hour minimum operation time. Quite often part of the space under study needs to be covered by a separate additional system to cover the thermal losses. On that situation, we will need to select the desired floor temperature. The corrected heat transfer density will be automatically calculated. The vertical pipe must be placed in the first floor. Other equipment, concerning mainly the heating engine room, is calculated through a series of windows, each one taking care of a specific part. Those windows for the in-floor heating installation concern in particular the boiler, heat pump, the burner, the fuel tank, the circulator pump, the expansion tank, the chimney and the hot water storage tank. As also explained for the single and two pipes heating system presented earlier. Like the other Fine-HVAC applications, all the printouts can be linked to Word.